This life is balanced. Now we no stand well. But instead of us to admit that we are not standing well and make an amendment to stand well, we always pointing finger to the government, pointing finger to spiritual power. Say, spirit, there water, that's why we are not progressing. See other part of the world. We have not even accepted that life jacket is stronger than your spiritual powers. People are already making remote control life-saving jackets. See the video now. People are displaying trophy carnivals on their water. If na Nigeria, the funniest thing that some of you will start saying, maybe they have sacrificed before they start doing it. Lies that you believe. Until the government start arresting some of you that are polluting our water in the name of sacrifice, una eye no go clear saying there is no power in it. Our water is dirty because someone somewhere this morning have gone to pour red oil with Gary. Someone somewhere is pouring Fanta and be saying it boldly. That's why I told my friend that until government start arresting some of you who said that we are giving testimony in the church that you are a winch and you cause accident, when they arrest you for causing an accident that takes life and damage property, and you rotting in jail, either you confess and your pastor will tell you to say that story, or you confess that you are not a winch. When you rotting in jail 25-30 years for killing people and claiming that you're a winch, that time your eye go clear. They hold you, take you to the place where you say you commit that atrocity, and make sure that you confess. Either that you do or not be you do them. That time your eye go clear. You come to church. I'm giving testimony. I wasn't a witch. The pastor will be asking, you're a witch? Nobody will deliver you. You will rotting in jail. Now, so pastors, they for altar. They tell a member that they has a car problem of 2 million. He poured oil of 1,200 and he told the car start, and the car start, and the mechanic engineers are clapping hand in the church. If it is sent abroad, maybe the car company decide to sue him for saying that the car they sold to him has a spiritual problem. That time he go no say that miracle not be true, and all of you believe the pastor. They are lying. Imagine say they sue him for the formation of their products, to come and prove how their product they get spiritual problem. People like us will talk. You see us as a devil. You see us as bad person. Somebody is arguing with me. I don't see a day. It happen for my village. I've said it time without numbers. Whenever you say there is a day, you are saying that more than 20 million Nigerians that are in the forces are fools. You say they be mumu. Whether na police, whether na army, whether na navy, whether na air force, whether na NDLE, whether na custom or immigration or even water or even civil defense, you are saying they don't have sense. How would all of them, more than 20 million Nigerians, put their hope only on their vest? Bulletproof. If there's a power in Odeshi that can save both the teeth, the eye, the nose, the fingers, everywhere of the body, why wouldn't they put? And I know you that are saying it has brothers that have done one of these forces, even if not vigilante in B. Why don't you pay for your brother to do a shit to protect him? I be one make it die for duty. Because that's what you're saying. Whenever you say there's a spiritual power, you're saying that all these people are food, they don't get sense, they don't feel reason. They're carrying gun, they want to die for free. If there is Odeshi, the world will invest in it and make sure that they use it to protect themselves. People are sending rockets to another country without going there. They use remote. Now Odeshi go there, somebody won't go die for nothing's sake. I'm out of here, Joe.